Alright, let's get started. First, what we're going to do is double box break 13-14 SP game used. Break number 16. It ended on November 16th, 2014. Date time right now for today. Monday, November 17th, 16:33 Pacific time. Monday, November 17th, 2014, 19:33 Eastern. Okay, let's get started. Here's the two boxes. I don't think I put the serial numbers in for them, but I'll show them. There you go. 7993, the last four of that one. Out of focus. There we go. 9710, last four. All right, good luck, everybody. Five packs. Three, 4, 5. Got our base cards here. We have a triple jersey or quad jersey. Mike Modano, Kerry Lettinen, Jamie Benn, and Trevor Daley for the Dallas Stars. Your inserts. Decoy. We got a Rick Nash auto for the New York Rangers. Decoy. And your base cards. Your authentic fabrics. Tuukka Rask and Zdeno Chara for the Boston Bruins. Your decoy. Base cards. Your authentic fabrics. Paul Stastny for the Colorado Avalanche. Base. Oops. Rookie Fabrics. Tyler Tofino for the Los Angeles Kings. Toffoli, sorry. Insert or decoy. Base cards. Authentic Fabrics, Tyler Ennis for the Buffalo Sabres. Base cards. Authentic Rookies Auto, Quentin Howden for the Florida Panthers. Base, decoy. Base cards. Authentic Fabrics for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury and Chris Letang. Base and decoy. Let's get something here. Oh, here we go. No decoy in here. Base. Base. Nice. David Bolden for the Chicago Blackhawks, Stanley Cup Finals materials. Got net cord. 16, I think. 16 of 25. Some more base here. Team Canada Fabrics, Jonathan Huberdeau. And an insert. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining my break. We will get on to the next break shortly.